We'll practice finding the median, quartiles, and interquartile range of a dataset. Here's the problem. For the dataset 12, 15, 18, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, find the median, the first quartile, the third quartile, and the interquartile range. Here's a box plot of the data showing the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. First, note that the data is already ordered. There are 9 values. The median is the middle value, which is the 5th value. The median is 21. The lower half consists of the values below the median, 12, 15, 18, 18. The first quartile is the median of the lower half. Since there are 4 values, we average the 2 middle numbers. Q1 equals 15 plus 18 divided by 2, which is 16.5. The upper half consists of the values above the median, 24, 27, 30, 33. The third quartile is the median of the upper half. Again, we average the 2 middle numbers. Q3 equals 27 plus 30 divided by 2, which is 28.5. The interquartile range is the difference between Q3 and Q1. IQR equals 28.5 minus 16.5, which is 12. To find quartiles, split the ordered data at the median and then find the medians of each half.